How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can fix your ViewSonic monitor with the no signal problem. So when you encounter this problem, it's really simple to fix this. The first thing that you want to do is to check for physical connections on the video cables itself. So depending on your model, there's going to be something like HDMI 1, HDMI 2, VGA cable, and the DVI cable, or in most cases, there's also going to be the DisplayPort. Just make sure that all of the connections is securely plugged in on both ends, basically from your computer and on the monitor side. Right after, let's navigate through our OSD settings. So you can navigate through these options by simply clicking the buttons on your monitor. And then once again, depending on your model, it's going to be different for the OSD settings, but generally you could just navigate through the input select. We have the ViewSonic VG3456A. And then once again, as I've mentioned, there's going to be something like HDMI 1, HDMI 2, Type-C or DisplayPort, VGA, DVI, and basically many more. Just make sure that you have selected the right video cable. So if you're using something like the HDMI 1 right here, you want to select HDMI 1, and from there it will then fix the problem itself. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.